Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said Indian universities are gaining global recognition today due to futuristic policies and decisions in the education sector. Speaking at the valedictory ceremony of the centenary celebrations of Delhi University yesterday, Mr. Modi said there was a time when India used to come under the list of fragile economies, and today it is among the top 5 economies in the world. Mr. Modi said in 2014, only 12 Indian universities were there in QS World University Rankings. Now it has risen to 45. He also said Delhi University has completed 100 years at a time when the nation is celebrating Amrit Mahotsav for completing 75 years of independence. He said Delhi University is not just a university but a movement.
डीयू ने 100 सालों में अगर अपने एहसासों को जिंदा रखा है तो अपने मूल्यों को भी जीवंत रखा है। निष्ठा धृति सत्यम यूनिवर्सिटी का ये ध्येय वाक्य अपने हर एक स्टूडेंट के जीवन में गाइडिंग लैंप की तरह है।